my good friend, Papa Noel. He's not in the mood today. Lewis is a little angry, you can see. When he's happy, he jokes around a lot, but when he's not happy, he doesn't joke around a lot, and I'm afraid to play with him because he might get aggressive and knock me out, so I'm gonna leave him alone. Whenever he's happy, he'll come back and start, playing around.
So what's the issue?
He's not happy today.
What happened?
I don't know. Don't want to ask.
Ask him.
Nope.
Luis, what's wrong?
You see? So that means I know my limits. So, all right, leave him alone. Let him do his thing. Body kit number 5,000 already. It's getting there. It's getting there. This week we'll have a lot of progress on this car. We still have some wrap stuff to do after Lewis is done. Got to wrap these parts, but it's getting there. That's his actual car.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I never put my license plate. I always represent RDB. Even if I get pulled over, I keep it on the next day still. I never put on a license plate for 3 years or whatever, how long I had it.
Yeah. It's nice and quiet now.
Yeah, it's so much better like this.
He's not used to it.
¿Qué pasó, amigo?
Is you f***ed up the car.
Yeah.
His glasses fall off the back of his head.
He has the wrong glasses. It's not even prescription glasses. Just have them on. All right, we're back from Labor Day weekend. Oh my goodness, it was tiring. And as soon as we come here, we have a BMW 235i. So this car came in here with absolutely zero brake pads, nothing. When I say metal to metal, I mean metal to metal. We're doing complete front and rear brake job, pads, rotors, and sensors. Again, on these kind of cars, you always replace the rotors, even if they're not damaged. I highly recommend to replace it for sound. That's what we're doing now. We'll always do it the right way. So Santos is gonna finish it right now, and customer will have his car back. All right, Javier.
It's not even next to you. What the fuck, Javier?
You know, the funny thing is they say this car's almost ready, right? This car is nearly not even close to being ready. There's 5 pounds of glue on the bumper. We wrap this car, obviously. So after the wrap, you take it off. No matter how good you take it off, there's glue all the time on the bottom. So Daniel's trying to take off all the glue. It's time consuming, so it takes time to do all that. So we still have a little bit of wrap here, you guys can see. So we're going all back to white, but as you guys can see, right behind you guys, it's almost ready. Just about.
Bro,
What?
bro, just leave me alone with the camera.
Can you help me?
Yeah.
Pour it in.
I like it. That's it.
Thank you.
All right, guys. In my hand, I have the power steering pump for this lovely Aventador. So this Aventador, as you guys know, long project, Liberty Walk wide body. We're nearly finished. It also needed a power steering pump because it was making a lot of noise, and we changed that. It's pretty intensive change. You gotta take a lot of stuff to get to this little pump right here. We just changed it, putting it all back together. This car needs a few more things and we're gonna be officially done with it. The door panels have to go on, those full carbon fiber doors. The big wing has to go on, touch-up details, Lamborghini emblems, fitment we gotta make sure, and then we're pretty much done with this crazy project. And you guys are gonna see it. This is gonna be one of the wildest Aventadors out there. And remember, this is a Ferrari paint job, so special Ferrari color. All of it you guys have seen go through the YouTube process. You guys saw this car get graffitied. It was white, it was stock, and now it's gonna look crazy. So yeah, we do all this stuff here too. Power steering pump actually has an AC problem. We're gonna be fixing the AC problem. We're gonna be changing the steering wheel. We do everything in-house. All right, we are standing in front of this lovely Rolls-Royce Phantom. We've been doing a lot of Phantoms lately, and I don't know why they're usually white. They do look probably the best in white, but this is a 2022 model. Look at this interior. It's that beautiful mandarin orange interior, white on orange, and it has orange, white trimming all around it as well. So I mean, when you look at the door color, the interior, and the door trims, white and orange. The orange was one of the most popular interior colors for Rolls-Royce for a couple of years. Did a lot of Cullinans with orange interiors. I don't know if we did one Phantom that was black with full orange. So this is a really nice looking colorway. We're gonna be doing RDB wheels on this. They are gonna be in shortly. And then this customer also wants to do some color match trims. So we're gonna figure out what trims to do in white, and we're gonna do the wheels, and this thing is gonna look amazing. The Phantoms are becoming a popular car, which is crazy because they're over $500,000, these things. So I like to do a lot of Phantoms. We're doing a Mansory Phantom in the next 2 months or so. The kit's on order. We're gonna do a full satin silver Mansory 2023 Phantom. I'm super excited about that one. We're gonna make that look the sickest Phantom in the entire planet. So stay tuned for that. As you see behind me, another new Range Rover completed. This also has a 1016 Industries wide body package on there. That makes it 4 wide body new Range Rovers built at RDB. This could be done within a week of an installation and paint. As you can see, it's that black color. We did another black one with black wheels, Shalise's car, which looked incredible. This one has the Forgiato slant wheels, which have this slant lip. Pretty outrageous design. Some people love it, some people hate it. You could do this with different designs in the middle, different colorways, whatever, but this was all black. Remember, we still sell Forgiatos here, so if you guys want Forgiato wheels, you can hit us up. We get that for you too. We don't only sell RDB wheels, we sell all the brands. So 1016 kit, beautifully installed, paint matched, looks incredible. We lowered the vehicle also, so it has this insane stanch. As you can see, we have to cut up a little bit inside the flares so we could, clear obviously this aggressive fitment. And I'll tell you now, these Range Rovers look insane with the wide bodies. I was actually following my wife driving our Range Rover wide body, and from the back, that thing looks crazy wide. So gotta remember, when you're doing a wide body, literally the most important thing is to have the wheels as wide, as flush as possible to the wide body, or else don't do a wide body, because then it looks really, really bad. So you gotta get the wide wheels pushed out to the extremes, to the point where it's almost like, looks ugly, but it doesn't. That's when you get that crazy, crazy look. So this is not like the super, super aggressive, but it's still pretty damn flush. On my Range Rover, we went even more extreme. But yeah, we could do that for anybody. Like the Urus is how we went extreme fitment, we could do that too. But this is a short wheelbase, so stay tuned, watch more. All right, guys, yeah, these are Dimag wheels. So this is actually a full carbon fiber barrel. As you can see, full carbon. This belonged to a special SVJ, and it was in a bit of a wreck. And this is what happened to the wheel. As you can see, the carbon is all cracked here. You can see the inside of it, which is really cool. I don't know if you've ever seen that inside a Dimag wheel, but this is the carbon fiber on the outside, but the inside is something else. So I don't know how to make Dimags, but as you can see, that yellow substance inside. But yeah, this is destroyed. It's not fixable. We're gonna have to fix it. This is aluminum, and you can see it held up really nicely. So we're gonna be changing the entire barrel and putting this face on it. And we have to, of course, fix the car too. So we're gonna be fixing it. So yeah, carbon fiber wheels destroyed. No man, it's oil and tire thing. And he destroyed the bathroom. And he's listening to the podcast because the whole podcast is cuts and bleeps. And he's making sure we didn't leave the messed up stuff in there.
We didn't.
Hey, get out. I have to wash my hands, you hard. Start off TikTok. You were watching girls on TikTok and now you're in the bathroom. What do you think's happening?
Who cut your hair this time? Mike. Okay, I'm gonna. For the last 5-6 times, you get good haircuts. Been
Really?
yeah, good. No, the last 5-6 times it's been good. This time they f***ed up your hair.
Really?
Yeah, there's long pieces. There's pieces of long hair coming from different places. It's not even even. Somebody didn't do it right with the machine. Look.
Really?
Yeah. Just go to the same place. Go to the same guy.
You shouldn't be talking about people's hairs.
His things are, so what they did, they shaved the hair, all of it, and they lifted.
No, he doesn't have it. His hairline starts here. That's where it starts. Yeah. See, your headline starts here.
This has a great hairline.
No, it's nice. It's nice.
Yeah. That's the stupidest, that's the dumbest comment. Moses has great hairline. I have no fucking hair.
I'm trying to think of what your hair, like what song your hair matches.
Backstreet Boys.
How is the Backstreet Boys?
Backstreet Boys.
Bye, bye, bye. Is that in sync?
That's in sync, I think, yeah.
So it's in sync.
Yeah, just drink and black out and run to the beach. swim with the sharks, and call it a day.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below, all right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.
Somebody sent me a bunch of pictures of it and actually a video of it driving, like backing up and going on the street. 2-3 different shops messaged me saying they're building the car.
You have a video?
I have a little video of
Yeah,
it. Nobody's ever seen it before. And an anonymous person sent it to me. So yeah, I'll send it to you. You could post it.